Today we are going to talk about symptoms and their significance. At the Integrated Wellness Clinic, we understand that symptoms are for a reason. They have a disease which is already established or which is building up in the body. And when we take the detailed history, we try to understand why you are getting those symptoms. Let us take the example of pain. If somebody suffers from abdominal pain, we would like to take a detailed history, how this pain is related to your eating time, the type of food you eat, how is it related to your bowel movement, how is it related to your stress levels, how is it related to your sleep pattern, your drinking of water, is there any correlation between water intake and the pain. And with all this history, when we take this detailed history and all the three doctors, the internal medicine specialist, Dr. Ruby Bansal, the clinical nutritionist, Dr. Deepika Kohli, and I am the homeopath, Dr. Priya Kapoor, we will sit together and then we try to understand the most probable diagnosis or the clinical reason why you are getting this pain. And according to that, provisional diagnosis, we will ask you to get yourself investigated. Not every abdominal pain needs an ultrasound, and not necessarily that an ultrasound of the whole abdomen, even if you keep getting it done repeatedly, will reveal something about the pain. It's the clinical history taking that is most important, and through that, if need be, we order some investigations, but mostly our diagnosis is based on the detailed history we take, and then based on the diagnosis we give you a treatment protocol which includes some basic pain relieving medicines and curative homeopathic regime and a proper individualized diet treatment, so that you don't just suppress your pain, but you treat the cause of your pain and it doesn't come back. It will take as long as for the treatment, the longer you take to come to us, the longer will be the treatment, and maybe you are complicating your illness which is just mild in the beginning, only functional. Maybe you are making it progress to a pathological state, and if you keep on having this pain for months or years, then something will appear in the ultrasound. So kindly don't suppress your pain with painkillers. We are just a phone call away. Contact us anytime that is suitable to you. Jai Hind.